Hello and welcome back to my channel. Happy Navaratri. Today I will be cooking eddo and boracurry and eddo and Seime curry to go with rice. In here I have Indian Madras curry powder, salt, 1 vegetable cube, garam masala and lala curry powder. To that I'm gonna add garlic, peppers, and some water. And we'll mix this into a paste. My oil is hot. I'll add the masala. Now I'll add the onion. And we'll let this sponge. I have vegetable cube, lala curry powder, Indian Madras curry powder, garam masala, and salt in here. I'm gonna add the garlic and the peppers, some water. Same thing, my oil is hot. I'm gonna add the onion. This sponge. Finish cleaning the Seime. Now we'll add the Seime. Bora. It's 5 minutes now. I'm going to add the coconut milk. And I'm gonna cover and continue cooking. 5 minutes now for the Bora. I'm gonna add the coconut milk. Cover and continue cooking. The Seime eddo is almost finished. We're gonna check the eddo, and they're perfectly cooked. Now we're gonna leave the lid off and continue cooking. And the eddo is perfectly cooked. So same thing, I'm gonna leave the lid off and continue cooking. The Seime is finished cooking. Now I'm going to add the tomato, and we'll continue cooking for 5 minutes more for the tomato to be fully cooked. Same thing with the Bora. It's fully cooked. Now I'm going to add the tomatoes. And we'll continue cooking for another 5 minutes. Now I'll add the green onion. And we'll continue cooking for 2 more minutes. Same thing for the Bora. I'll add the green onion. And we'll continue cooking for 2 more minutes. And the Seime eddo curry is finished cooking. The eddo and boracurry is finished cooking. Here is my eddo and Seime curry, Bora and eddo curry, served with the rice and or roti. Please like and subscribe. I will include the ingredients in the description below. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you.